Meet the upgraded SwellPRO SPRY Plus Sports Action Drone, an efficient eyes-in-the-sky that's designed to capture all the special moments of your fishing experience from multiple advantageous angles. Enhancements abound, including a fortified frame and an even more efficient user-replaceable GPS module, boosting responsiveness by a remarkable 50%. Notably, the SwellPRO SPRY Plus boasts an overhauled altitude control system featuring a range of improvements such as safeguarded air breather design and an enhanced heat management system. This waterproof marvel is remarkably user-friendly, requiring only a few hours of flight time to master. Weighing a mere 7.33 pounds, the SwellPRO SPRY Plus is powered by 2 potent lithium polymer batteries, ensuring ample power to fuel the diverse functions of this cutting-edge drone. Beyond its role in enhancing your fishing expeditions, the SwellPRO SPRY Plus drone can also be harnessed for the strategic placement of bait and lures, opening up previously inaccessible stretches of the sea. While drone cameras are great for taking aerial shots on fishing adventures, gadgets like the Olymbros D1 underwater fishing camera brings you closer to all the action happening at the depth of the river. With this remarkable aquatic filming gadget, you can descend up to 65 feet beneath the water's surface, bearing witness to every captivating moment of your subaquatic journey in breathtaking detail. For the best viewing experience, experts recommend that you tie the camera directly to your bait and place the hook about 5 to 20 inches away from the camera lens. This would allow you to catch every bit of the action as you catch your fish, and if you want, you can play back all the footage on computer or television to relive all the exciting moments. Equipped with a robust battery, the Olymbros D1 underwater fishing camera maintains its performance for up to 4 hours on a full charge. What's more, the lightweight underwater marvel even supports night recording, adding another layer of intrigue to your aquatic explorations. At number 8, we have the sleek-looking electric fish scale remover that boasts both style and functionality. Designed with a comfortable and ergonomic waterproof handle, this device stands out for its user-friendly nature. Crafted for ease of use, its steel construction is powered by an all-copper motor ensuring prevention against rust. Remarkably swift, this motor achieves impressive speeds of up to 7,200 revolutions per minute, making it possible to scale an average fish within 15 seconds. Using the fish scale remover, anyone can easily peel off the fish skin without much stress. It's the perfect fish scale removing tool for domestic and large-scale use. Powered by a 12 volts rechargeable battery, this electric scale remover tool can peel up to 100 fish per charge. And, interestingly, this 2000 mAh lithium-ion power source can be recharged in 1 hour. The simplicity of operation is truly remarkable. Just a press of a button sets the device in motion, enabling you to effortlessly scale as many fish as you desire. Here, we've got the amazing new Kapstan Elite Size 300 Baitcasting Reel. A compact baitcasting reel that's durable enough to take on all types of fishing adventures, including tournament-style fishing events. Currently, this tech-powered baitcasting reel is regarded as KastKing's largest frame and highest capacity reel to date. This makes it an ideal gadget for hunting large fish like steelhead, salmon, muskie, pike, and even bass. But at the same time, it can also serve for inshore saltwater fishing activities. The Kapstan Elite Baitcasting Reel boasts a sleek, minimalist design that conceals robust power. This makes it the perfect fishing gadget for conquering harsh conditions and exerting precise torque to reel in heavyweight fish. Enhanced with Maxi-Dur double-shielded stainless steel bearings, this advanced fishing marvel minimizes noise while maximizing casting distance, not to mention that it's available at an exciting price of just $129.99. Furthermore, this impressive fishing tool features a wide array of technologies, including a centrifugal braking system with 6 adjustable braking shoes. The Yeti Hopper Flip is an ample storage solution designed to preserve fish and other perishables, packed with intuitive features including cold cell insulation, a leak-proof hydrolock zipper, and UV rays protection. These elements work together to uphold the quality of your stored items. Externally, the Yeti Hopper Flip boasts a high-density, waterproof, and puncture-resistant fabric, ensuring durability. Meanwhile, the interior features a closed-cell foam. This enhances its cold-holding capabilities and allows you to preserve items for longer. And with an empty weight of 3.1 pounds, the Yeti Hopper Flip is portable and remarkably lightweight. But the benefits don't stop there. This intelligent zippered storage bag comfortably accommodates up to 12 beverage cans, making it perfect for on-the-go adventures. All these incredible features are available at an affordable price of only $250. Elevate your fishing experience with the revolutionary Garmin Striker Cast, a cutting-edge fishing tool that can be deployed from multiple platforms, including from the shore, dock, or watercraft. Boasting state-of-the-art GPS technology, this gadget empowers you to pinpoint your targets with precision using the user-friendly Striker Cast app, compatible with both Android and Apple devices. Notably, this modern fishing marvel is water resistant and capable of enduring water exposure up to 1 meter for 30 minutes. It excels in diverse aquatic settings, whether freshwater, saltwater, or even beneath the ice, offering seamless functionality at any depth. The Garmin Striker Cast is equipped with advanced battery conservation, delivering over 10 hours of estimated battery life and enabling extended river exploration. Its rugged build, portability, and lightweight design make it a dependable companion for every conceivable weather condition encountered in the great outdoors. Presenting the Ugly Stik Tiger Elite Rod, an all-in-one single-piece rod designed for versatile offshore and coastal use. Crafted from a blend of refined top-tier materials, this rod achieves a remarkable balance of lightweight construction, durability, and heightened sensitivity compared to its predecessors. And despite weighing only 0.32 kilograms, this amazing fishing gadget holds quite well in tough conditions, with a line rating spanning 14 to 40 pounds and a lure rating ranging from 1 to 5 ounces. Its capabilities shine through. The Ugly Stik Tiger Elite Rod boasts corrosion resistance and eliminates insert pop-outs, ensuring a seamless experience. Backed by an impressive 7-year warranty, this exceptional fishing companion begins at an enticing price of just $47.95. Undoubtedly, it is one of the most economically prudent fishing gadgets available for those seeking exceptional value. Fishing adventures are, of course, a great way to entertain yourself. However, a day out on the river does not necessarily guarantee you a good catch. But thankfully, gadgets like the Gerber Linedriver, you can effectively improve your chances of making a decent catch. This comprehensive fishing line tool encompasses 6 essential line management functions, streamlining the knot tying process and enabling you to effortlessly handle intricate lines like a seasoned pro. One critical aspect of the gadget Linedriver is its multifunctional dual-serrated scissor snips, a game changer for your fishing skills. In unlocked mode, the snips function as versatile scissors capable of tackling thicker lines. Once locked, they hold a slight opening for efficient pull-through cuts when secured in your pocket. Enhancing its versatility further, the tool incorporates a split-shot crimper at the scissor snips tip, expanding its utility. Additionally, the hook threader simplifies line threading through eyelets, ensuring rapid exchanges that save both time and energy. With the Gerber Linedriver in hand, your fishing experience is elevated to a whole new level. At $18.99, this electronic fishing bite alarm is one of the cheapest gadgets on our list. But make no mistake, it's just as useful as most of the premium fishing gadgets on the market. The device is equipped with sound and light alerts that get triggered once a fish is hooked. The sensor is sharp enough to detect even the smallest bite, but at the same time, it is incredibly efficient at excluding strong currents and high winds to avoid false alarms. It's a very handy tool for beginners and particularly helpful for users who fish with more than one rod. Not to mention that it's compatible with different types of fishing rods. Powered by 3 LR44 button batteries, this advanced bite alarm can last up to 100 hours. In addition, it comes with LED light fishing rods, which makes it suitable for night fishing and all types of fishing. I mean, it could work for sea fishing, fly fishing, ice fishing, kayak fishing, pier fishing, and even bass fishing. With the Deeper Smart Sonar Pro, finding easy fishing spots has never been easier. These brilliant fishing gadgets come with a lot of features and functions that make fishing add a lot of fun to your fishing experience. To start with, it is equipped with a built-in GPS system that allows you to create bathymetric maps and know the depth and water temperature of any spot in an instant just by casting. And remarkably, casting with the Deeper Smart Sonar Pro is quicker and more seamless than using a marker float. In addition, it also allows you to explore the riverbed for bottom contour, vegetation areas, and other different features. With this information at your disposal, you make the perfect catch that you've always wanted. Once this scan is completed, the information can be saved to the cloud platform on the Fish Deeper app. This means that you'll be able to access a detailed record of your fishing history from any internet-enabled device in the world. Additionally, the Deeper Smart Sonar Pro has high specs and rock-solid connectivity, which allows it to cast out up to 330 feet and scan down to around 260 feet, giving you an unprecedented reach and depth that you wouldn't get from any other off-the-shelf fishing gadget.